Today, I'm going to tell you about the deadliest animal in the world, the mosquito. That's right, the mosquito is responsible for about 1 million human deaths every year, more than every other animal combined, even including humans ourselves. But of course, it's not the mosquito itself that's so deadly. It's the diseases that it spreads. And one of the most impactful mosquito-borne diseases in the world today is dengue virus. Dengue is a rapidly increasing threat to public health. It's a deadly and debilitating disease that causes about 100 million cases every year and puts half the world's population at risk. And it's pretty much solely spread by the bite of these two mosquitoes, who are renowned for their ability to adapt to new environments and spread into new habitats, such that over the last 50 or so years, due to factors like climate change and globalization, we can now find these two mosquitoes on every single continent except Antarctica. In fact, my recent work has shown that this tiger mosquito, just in the last 5 or 10 years, has made its way right here to Iowa. And so all of this is to say that it's really important to understand what makes these mosquitoes so good at spreading dengue virus. And so when one of these mosquitoes bites a dengue-infected person and becomes infected with the virus, that virus has to find a way to spread throughout the mosquito until it ultimately reaches the salivary glands. Only then can it be transmitted again through the mosquito's spit during another bite. And the question that we really wanted to ask and answer is, what role do mosquito immune cells play in this process? So these immune cells are kind of like our white blood cells. They circulate throughout the mosquito, they recognize, attack, and kill pathogens that are present. But when we look in dengue-infected mosquitoes, what we see is pretty surprising. So first, we see that these immune cells themselves become infected by the virus. Second, when we selectively destroy these immune cells in the mosquito, it actually slows down a virus infection, which is pretty much the opposite of what we would expect. And third, when we take these immune cells from infected mosquitoes and we transplant them into uninfected mosquitoes, those mosquitoes become infected. And so this is evidence that these immune cells are not some defense for the mosquito against dengue virus. Quite the opposite. They're a Trojan horse, helping to spread the virus within the mosquito and ultimately enabling its transmission. And with this new understanding, we hope to develop strategies to target this immune cell infection and hopefully slow down the spread of dengue in the world. But from a more basic perspective, this research helps us understand why some insects are better than others at transmitting diseases. And we can use this information to assess risk for new and emerging pathogens, things we may not even know exist yet. And ultimately, we hope to make the world's deadliest animal a little less dangerous for everyone. Thanks.